Toolbox Talk 98, Working Alone. Working alone can be defined as the situation created when a person at work cannot be seen or heard by another person and they cannot expect a visit from another person for some time. For example, if a worker is at a site where there is no other employees or is in a workplace where everyone else has gone home. When required to work alone or away from other employees, there must be a procedure put in place to ensure regular contact is made with the isolated worker. While risk control measures must be put in place to reduce the likelihood of any accident, it is possible that unexpected circumstances may arise that puts people at risk. The most obvious method is the use of radio communications, where a failure to establish contact indicates that something may have gone wrong. Procedures must also be in place to alert others who may enter the work site that someone is working in the area. This will require the use of a sign positioned at all entry points stating that activity is being undertaken, for example, service electrician on site. Safe work procedures when working alone should cover the following points. Advise others of your work location. Agree on start and finish times. Decide on the frequency and method of contact. Establish an emergency plan. And stick to the plan. While working alone, should anything occur that is not part of the usual job, the worker should contact his employer or supervisor before making any decisions about the situation. The risk of injury or harm for people who work alone may be increased because of difficulties contacting others when emergency assistance is required. Emergency situations may arise because of the sudden onset of a medical condition, accidental work-related injury or disease, or exposure to a hazardous substance. As part of the risk assessment and control process, should it be identified that a person is considered to be alone, the company will ensure additional risk control measures other than those associated with the task are put into place. When considering the suitability of an employee to work alone, the person must be able to carry out all work activities safely without direct supervision, manage events that are likely to occur when working alone, follow procedures to obtain emergency assistance if required, and follow procedures to establish regular contact with the company.